On one of our concrete homes, there was a need to put on siding down to a certain height, and we didn't want all of the fasteners to be shown. We tried T-nails, a pneumatic nailer that would go. This siding happened to be Hardie Board. When we would hit it with the T-nails, it would split and fracture. And so we had to come up with a different solution. And so we turned around and we doweled. So we drilled holes in the concrete. We stuck wood dowels in specific places that we wanted them, so that we could turn around and nail the siding and not have all of those fasteners exposed. And so, yeah, it took a little bit more time, but right now there's no fasteners shown. It's solid. It'll last for years and years and years.